Hello all, welcome back to the channel. Katanya from Glorified Bodies Fitness. We are doing stretches that we can do in the car, not while driving really, but as a passenger. So join me. We are joined by Samantha, who's on Zoom right now with me. And we're so happy that we can be here and having you join us. So this is part 3, by the way. So what we're going to do here is add a little rotation. So sometimes we're sitting in the car and we're getting pretty stiff. Our tush hurts, and shoulders, back. So this will help alleviate some of that. And it depends on what the stretch is. Some of these stretches you can actually do while driving, but keep your eye on the road. So just a little rotation, a little twist. And if you're not driving, you can look out the window or behind you. Center. And just keep rotating. That feels wonderful. Abdominals in tight. Excellent. So this gives me an idea to do some YouTube videos for strengthening in the car while you're in the car, right? Working out. Excellent. So we'll do that one as well next week. Side. Feel free to put your comments below to let me know what you're looking for, what you would like to see in these videos. I'm here for you. Okay, side. Center. Make sure you inhale, center. Exhale as you turn to the side. We'll do 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. Take your time. And last one. And center. Yummy. Good. Let's do a little rock forward if your seat belt allows you. Just a little bit forward, back. Good. One more. And just a little lift with the legs. Whatever you can do to get them up a little. Good. Now here's one. It's like almost you're crossing your leg, but you're not. You're externally rotating in the hip. Ooh, that's a good one. So you get a little stretch there, externally rotating. Good, 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 good. All right. Getting sleepy, huh? Don't get sleepy. Actually, you can. As long as you're not driving. Okay, the opposite is out and in, keeping the knees towards each other. So we're working the internal rotators of the hip, getting a nice stretch here, a little strengthening as well. Out and in. Get 4 more. 3 and 2. Last one. Nice job. Good. Shake that out. Little steps. Excellent. All right. Hope you feel more limber, more energized. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, hit the like button. Do subscribe if you haven't. Do share for people you think can benefit from these stretches. And head over to glorifiedbodiesfitness.com because now we offer memberships, but there's also a lot of other good things on the site other than memberships. So check that out and see what is right for you. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Ta-ta for now.